check your first page here with mine. See how you did. Remember, your rule could be a little bit different there for what you said for E. Give you a minute on that. Let's take a look at the second page here. So for the top, right, we were kind of just plugging in our inputs. These were the ones that were a little bit tricky here. For number 8, we could kind of see. Emma, what'd you girls get for 8 for your rule?
We got 3. Or like you subtract 3.
Right, so remember, write your rule as y equals x minus 3. Yeah. So each time you're subtracting 3, good. Now 9 and 10, I know like Vicky and Alyssa were like, wait a second, these are a little bit harder. These were 2-step rules. Did anybody figure out the rule for 9? Alyssa? Go ahead.
I did y equals 3x plus 3.
Wow, let's try it and see. See how she has 2 different steps to it? Let's try to plug in now and see if her rule works. 3 times 0 plus 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 would get us to 3. Let's try it on the next one and see if it also works. So if we plug in the 2, 3 times 2 plus 3. So 6 plus 3 would get me to 9. I skipped the 1. That one works. Let me plug in 1 and see if it works. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Does Alyssa's rule work? Yeah, nice job, girls. Excellent. Who, did anybody get the rule for 10? Did anybody else get 9?
Yeah.
You got it, Matt? Good. Excellent. Matt, did you guys get 10?
No, we just got the 10 right when the
Okay. So see how 9 had 2 steps? Everybody take a minute and try 2 different steps and see what you can come up with for 10. What could you either multiply it by and add or subtract? See what 2 steps you can come up with. So once we tried out some different functions, we could see this works. You can adjust and go up or go down. Now, let's take a look at our word problem because those were a little tricky here. If we're looking at number 11, Ava, can you read it for me? We're first just going to write our rule, right? This is an example of where you use these rules in everyday life, right? It's $7 per pizza. So what operation are we going to do? 7. What are we going to do with our P? Are we adding to our P or multiplying? Multiplying. Yeah, so we're going to do 7 times P, but now what do we have to add? The $4 delivery fee. So we're going to do plus $4. So it doesn't matter how many pizzas you order, you're always going to add on $4 for the delivery fee. So if Pat orders 3 pizzas, we're going to do 7 times our 3 pies plus 4. How much does Pat spend altogether? $25. Very good. It'd be $25. See how the function can help you. Let's take a look at number 12. Who'd like to read that one for me? To write your rule. So think about, we're going to use the D for DVDs. They cost $8. And the V is our variable for videotapes that cost $6. What rule could you write?
I did 8 times 5 plus 6.
Before you do the actual math, just tell me what the function would be first. My guys at home, message me what you think the function rule could be. What could you write for your rule? Just like we did for the pizza, use your variables, write your rule first.
8D plus 6V.
Yeah, it's $8 for the DVDs. So she did 8 times D. Plus, it's $6 for the videotape. So it's 6 times the V. Now, Vicky, tell them what you plug in to figure out the price. What'd you do?
Well, I had to do it a different way, but.
What do we do? 8 times what?
Oh, 8 times 3. And then 6 times.
You mean 8 times 5?
All right.
And then 6 times 3. Yeah. So once you have the rule, it's easy to see, right? The cost. It costs $58. So see how the rule helps you. Once you finish this, go ahead and submit it into Canvas under F7.2, and then you can complete your math space. Thanks for watching. Here, so check the top with mine. See how you did on 1 through 7, and then we're gonna go over that bottom section together.